Hello friends, welcome in this video session. Today I am going to discuss a very important topic of real estate module in SAP. Okay. Today I am going to discuss how to get the details of land available in any business entity. Okay. In our company code, there are so many business entity as per the real estate module. Okay. So I'm just going to discuss this very important transaction code to get the details of the land available in our business entity. Okay, so this is the transaction code, very important transaction code in the REM SAP REISPR. Okay, REISPR. How this transaction code will work, step by step procedure I am going to show you. Okay, in the command window you have to execute the transaction code REISPR. Okay, press F8 or click on the enter. Okay, click on the enter. Okay, you will see this screen here. Okay, what is the company code, what is your business entity? If you have a detail of land available in your record, then you can upload these land from here, multiple selection or the single selection. Okay, and the object validity. My main objective is that I just want to get the record of land which is valid on the current date. Okay, which is valid on the current date. Okay, what is the meaning of the validity? Validity means if I acquire any land from any private person or any department, then it is meaning that lease in land. Getting my points? Lease in land. The land which I have acquired for a certain time period. For this land I am just paying rent. Okay, so for this I have to create a land and a rental object and a contract. For this I have defined a validity period as per the terms and conditions signed by company and landlord of the land. Okay, or the owner of the land. Getting my points? So object validity meaning is this. Okay, the land is valid on the current date or not. Getting my points? So I have put the criteria of the validity of the land here is the current date. Getting my points? If my objective is to get the land record of our business entity for the next 6 months. Okay, 31st 12 31st 12 2021, the validity of land available in the next 6 months. Okay, so we will get the land which validity is lies between 11th of June to 31st December of 2021. Okay, so it's up to depend on you. If you want to get the land record of your business entity in the for the longer period from the before 5 year to the next 5 year, then you can give the date selection as per your convenience. Getting my points? And one more thing, in the company code 1100, that is my company code, you can fill your own company code. Okay, and the business entity 3010000002. Okay, you can get the business entity record in REM module as per the creation of your SAP data and all. Okay, if you want more specific land record, then go in the dynamic selections tab. Okay, here you have a lot of option as per the business entity, as per the land. Okay, so click on the business entity. You have to lot of option like real estate key, object number, how created, entered by, first entered on which date, time of initial entry, any last change by person responsible, change authorization, authorization group, object validity from to object validity to name of the business entity, currency, what is the plinth area, what is all area units, volume units, unit of length, maintenance, distribution, regional location, transport connection, means the nearby railway station and all, location, district location, Tennessee law, and representative list of the rents. Okay, so these are the various sub column are the field available in the business entity. As per these field, you can also get the specific land record. Okay, getting my points? So, and the next one is land field. Okay, in the land field there is a certain columns, real estate key, object number, real estate key again. Okay, and how created, enter by, last change, person responsible, uses of land, name of land, market value, purchase price, land value, date and land value, development plan. Okay, and the current uses. Okay, actual site of occupied land. Okay, actual floor area ratio, actual constitution dimension number, property type, class of city, ground type, boundary type, sale. So tract of land, parcel of land, fractional parcel, unit of land, currency and ownership. So many fields are available. Depending on the fields, as per your requirement, you can get the data of land available in our system. Okay, so I'm not going to select any of the land field. Okay, you can, if I am just selecting the field like that, for example, uh, current, for example, class of city. Okay, or the ground type. Okay, then this field will appear here, and you have to choose here, like square, rectangular, quadrilateral, irregular. Okay, so if my objective is to a rectangular field, okay, then you have to fill the ground type specification here, and you will get the all land record as per the given specification. Okay, my objective is to get all the record, so I have just filled blank this field. Okay, so you have to fill the company code, business entity, object validity as per your requirement. Okay, and then you have to execute the data. Okay, press F8. Okay, so you will get the record of the land available in your system. Okay, so this is the company code, this is the business entity, this is the land, district, postal code, name of the land, city, house number and all. Okay, type of ownership, mode of acquisition, acquired from. Okay, see, acquisition notification, reference number of the revenue records, and then ownership, sales deed, title deeds available, purchase price date, mode of acquisition and types. Okay, so my main objective is this, if this data has been maintained in our system, the land data, all the field is not available in the system. If this field is already maintained in the system, then you will get the record. Okay, if you go in the drop down, okay, if you go in the drop down, these are the data which is already available in the system for these land. Okay, for these land, for these some of the land, the data is available, type of ownership, freehold, mode of acquisition, purchase, acquired from, acquisition notification, reference number of the revenue record and the dates. Okay, and purchase price dates, type of ownership, freehold, and all the records which is available here, it's showing. Okay, in the list. If you want to include some more record, then all these fields are available here. Object value to, street, entered by, first enter on, type of initial entry, country key, initial entry source, last change on. Okay, uses land use map. If I want uses land use map, then select on this, click on the show selection field. It will include in this side of the list, and you will get this in the field. Okay, if I'm selecting this, click on this, this will include in our record. Okay, uses land map. If I'm applied this, okay, then see, uses map in the list z1 z0 something is available here. Okay, you can get the details of what is the uses of land map is available, what is the meaning of z1 z2 z6. It will explain later in the different videos. Okay, but my objective is, if you want to include some fields in our your report, then you can get, okay, current, for example, current uses. Okay, if just want to current uses, then you can get the current uses. Okay, uh, what is the current uses? You will get this current uses: residential, building and tower, and the telephone exchange, and all these things. What is the current uses you will get? And depending on the current uses, if you want to segregate the land record depending on the current uses, you will get the details like this. Okay, so okay, so there is various option. Okay, plant dated, plant sale, and all, there is various field. Okay, so you have to know while fetching the report record depending on your requirement, because in SAP there is various option, because you will get the data as per your requirement. You will get the any type of the data at the any time while accessing the SAP system. Okay, so real estate module is one of the SAP module which maintain the record of land and buildings and properties and all. Okay, so this is the first part of the video session. Okay, in the next video I will show you how to extract the building records in the different session. Okay, for this, how to extract this land, then you have a lot of option. For example, if you want to short this land record, then you have to apply the short field here. Okay, you can get the short in the descending order as per the purchase price, and sorting the ascending order. Okay, you can get the filter, you can apply the filter field of any filter in the any field. Okay, getting my points? You can for example, acquisition notification, no, I don't have any acquisition notification, then select this field, click on the filter data. Okay, so if I'm selecting this, then we have option yes or no. So no, click on the no. I just get the detail of the land, which acquisition notification record is available or not. Click on this. So only one record is available in our system as per the given criteria. So this is the some land which have no acquisition record available in our system. Okay, you just again filter out. Okay, again filter out. Okay, you will get all the land records. Okay, so accordingly you will get the data. Okay, and how you can extract this data in the Excel file? So there is a two option. Once here you get the local file, spreadsheet, and you will save this record in your Excel file. Okay, you will give the name land 3002. Okay, you can save this. Okay, you can save this like this. Your file has been now saved in your system. Okay, first is this option, the second is export spreadsheet or local file. Okay, you can also save using a spreadsheet, Excel in the MSTL format. Here you can save like in this. Okay, can allow, you will get the data of your land in the Excel format like this, okay, then you need to getting my points, then you need to save again in now this is in the .mstml format of the Microsoft Excel. Need to again save this data in the Excel workbook in .xlx format to more, okay. For example, you need to rem land, okay, record, okay. So 3002, okay, you can save this record. Getting my points? So in all the data as per the given format is available in the Excel format. You can extract this, okay. So uh, this is all about how to get the land data in Excel format, okay. So that's all for now, okay. Thank you for watching this video, how to extract the land detail in REM module in SAP, okay. If you like this video, press a like button, okay. It's give me a motivation to prepare such conceptual and training purpose videos, okay. And if you really appreciate thinks that this is a useful video for the people who are working, officer who are working in the real estate module, please share this video with your friends and colleagues, okay. Because sharing is caring. Once you share these knowledge, then it will spread. Once you share this knowledge, more and more people will know this concept, how to extract this detail, okay. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press bell icon to get the latest updates of my every new video uploads, because ERP SAP team is frequently uploading the video on the different SAP topics, okay, which is frequently using, okay. So please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon, okay. And thank you for watching this video session, okay. And if you have any query regarding this video topic, please feel free to comment. I will give the best solution as per my knowledge, as per my convenience, okay. So please do this, okay. Have a nice day. Bye bye.